Hi, today I'm going to show you the Sperax, and this site builds trusted infrastructure for decentralized economy. So I hope you like this site, you like my video, and you can just start. So now I will just show you the token public sale. So the token sale will run from 14th of August of 2020 at 10 o'clock AM ET is the UTC -4 until 28th August 2020 at 10 o'clock AM ET UTC -4. And I will show you now the token economics. So the token is SPA and it ensures the incentives for users to participate in the layer 1 BDLS consensus. The SPA reflects the network value of Sperax. As users join the Sperax network, they could earn SPA as they run nodes and validate transactions. And similar to other public blockchain, gas fees are collected in SPA as transactions happen on the Sperax blockchain. SPA is the governance token for the protocol. SPA has fixed 5 billion supply and there will not be inflation in the future. And here the S coin, and it's a fiat pegged native stablecoin issued on the Sperax ecosystem. It's issued by financial nodes and regulated financial institutions with fiat custody in network. S-Coin eases the barrier by onboarding users holding fiat. S-Coin addresses what the fintech market is after and thereby reasonably adjusts to supply and demand. They understand that the market drivers behind fluctuations will be the key differentiator in a stable coin market longing for change. S-Coin is geography specific. Sperax can support cross-border transactions in conjunction with financial service providers. S-Coin has diversified dependencies. It provides an extra layer of stability for the SPA holders by being the first native stablecoin in the public blockchain ecosystem. And here we are on the homepage. So their mission is to make decentralized financial services accessible to all global citizens. And here you have the future of the Sperax. So it's the high performance Sperax BFT requires only 4 steps of circulations to reach consensus, much fewer than other POS protocols. You have the security, so they overcame widespread problems in consensus protocols such as DOS attacks and deadlocks caused by unreliable P2P broadcast channels. You have embedded financial services, so Sperax introduced a financial layer including stablecoin and financial products to enable developers and token holders to create an ecosystem that connects to the real economy. You have the decentralized governance. So the Sperax token holders have the right to governance. Collectively, they make the network better by contributing to the design and upgrade of the ecosystem. And here is the timeline. For example, the year 2090. Here you can just open it. So for example, in the August of 2090, there was the research and protocol design. So the analysis on existing protocols and drafted comparison papers. And here you can see it goes like this to the year 2020. In the January of 2020, they released the Go implementation of BDLS. And here, as you can see, August 2020, the Sperax first global public sale, and it raised $5 million in 1 hour. And here to be completed, so they want to launch the testnet They want the financial committee enrollment for Sperax stablecoin. They want to make the Sperax stablecoin wallet, and they want to launch the mainnet. And here you can see you can keep up with Sperax, so there are some news that you can just read. When you click view all, you can just check all news that they have, like all. You can make blog, podcast, video, and news and events. And here you can see in careers, you can just get a job in this Sperax. So here you have the addresses. When you live here in the one of the 3 addresses, you can just call them here over there. They have the offices in San Francisco, New York, and Singapore. As you can see, they offer the competitive salary and token plan. They offer to work with a sponsorship, medical, dental, and vision insurance, multicultural work environment, 401k plan, and a beautiful office space. You can just click over there to apply now, and it's a email. You can just write an email to them when you want to work there. And here you can see just the bounty and grants. So they invite all blockchain enthusiasts to find security vulnerabilities and help them keep their protocol safe. You can just contact over there to this email address if you spot anything at any time. And you can just find a bug and get rewards. And here are the rules. You must not be an employer, a contractor, or have any businesses relationship with the Sperax Foundation or any of its subsidiaries, including former employees, former contractors, and those with previous business relationships. The bounty rewards are subject to the standard KYC requirements and vetting in order to be eligible. The security bug must be found under the Sperax GitHub page, not the code of a third party. Public disclosure of a vulnerability makes it ineligible for the bounty and will be held accountable. The security bug must be original. You must not have written the buggy code or otherwise been involved in contributing any buggy code to the Sperax project, and the entire event and all terms related to an award are at the sole and final discretion of the Sperax team. And here are the rewards, so you can just get the equivalent of some dollars in SPA tokens according to the value of public token sale to each bug. And the first team, individual whose pull request is added to the Sperax code base, gets the reward. And here the white paper, you can just click at it and just read it when you are very interested in this project. As you can see the whole thing over there. Alright, and here you have the latest news from Sperax on the 31st August 2020. So for example, the testnet, local testing, Chainlink integration, $4.7 million fundraising and more. You can just read it when you want. Here you have the testnet running local, Chainlink integration, and here you have the graphic of it. So the governance module, consensus module, so the rest. Here are the applications, and here you have the external data. So all things that you could see over there go to the external data. Here as you can see, for example, the delegators, and by the SPA token goes to the 2 tables over there, and as you can see it goes like this. And then you have the first global public sale. So as you can see, there were the 2 crashes, 3,129 new SPA holders, 4.7 million worth of 235 million tokens, and it all within an hour. Here we have 70 AMAs in 2 weeks. Here we have the Sperax and Nano News, Sperax and Crypto Scream Indonesia, Sperax and Block Talks, Sperax and Vietnam Coin Market, Sperax and Avalanche at CryptoDiff. Here is the first AMA in their community. So for example, the POW, so the Proof of Work, a BFT, so the Byzantine Fault Tolerance, and a mix of the two above. Here the Uniswap report. Here you have some infos about Sperax, and here are the upcoming news. For example, the CryptoMind Thailand, CryptoDaku, Robinhooders, the Satoshi Club, and Nano Chat Room Indonesia. And here are the dates and times. And here are the Sperax Twitter. It has the 304 tweets, 11,000 followers, and here you have like the infos. For example, you can check the latest news over there, and then you have here like top researcher is Joe, and like the events. And here for example the CryptoDiff is tweeting the Sperax, so you can just go on the Sperax Twitter and check it. And I think that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and when you have some questions, some ideas or problems, you can just contact them on email or Telegram. Here you have another social medias too, like Twitter, Facebook, Medium, Discord, and another social medias, and they will just reply to you. So we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.